Hello!
Hi!
We are the Sweater Brothers!
Okay.
We have found our home. A really good home with green grass, a swing set, a grill, and washer/dryer. We would like one mortgage, please. Make it your very best mortgage, please. Because we are the world-famous Sweater Brothers.
Okay, do you have credit?
Credit? We don't need credit. We're world-famous. Have you seen our sweaters? Have you seen our brothers? Ha ha ha! A joke!
I'm sorry, guys. Bank of America doesn't just give out mortgages.
We shall now confer. We have credit.
Do you?
No. Damn.
Look, you seem like good guys. I could sneak one mortgage past my bosses.
Jubilation! We have one mortgage. A mortgage for us. Let us now celebrate our mortgage.